The rise of AI-created content AI is no longer just crunching numbers or playing chess. It's creating, or at least that's how it appears. Visual art tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly allow users to generate photorealistic or fantastical images from just a few words. You can type a futuristic samurai in a cyberpunk city and get a stunning image that looks gallery-worthy. Writing ChatGPT, Claude, and other language models can now produce convincing short stories, screenplays, poems, essays, even marketing copy, often in seconds. In some tests, readers couldn't tell AI-generated stories apart from human-written ones. Music AI platforms like Suno AI and AIVA are composing music that matches user prompts in genre, tempo, and emotion, from classical symphonies to upbeat pop tunes. The capabilities are undeniable. But is this really creativity? Or are machines just very good at remixing existing human ideas? How AI actually creates art? To answer this, let's look at how AI art is made. AI models are trained on enormous datasets, millions of images, writings, or audio clips pulled from the internet. Through this training, models like GPT or Stable Diffusion learn patterns. What a mountain looks like, how a haiku is structured, how a drum beat might rise and fall. But AI doesn't understand these things. It doesn't know what beauty is. It doesn't appreciate tragedy, irony, or hope. Instead, AI works by prediction. It sees that in millions of similar works, a certain color, word, or note is likely to follow another. It then reconstructs new combinations based on those probabilities. In short, AI doesn't create from emotion or experience. It generates based on data. The human element, more than data. So what separates humans from machines? It's not just skill. AI can learn that. It's not speed. AI is faster. What humans bring to the table is intent, emotion, and experience. Intent. Artists often create with purpose. To tell a story, challenge norms, or express identity. Emotion. Human art is shaped by love, loss, nostalgia, anger. These feelings are often the fuel behind creativity. Experience. Our life stories, cultures, and memories influence our art. AI, by contrast, has no memory, no culture, no self. Van Gogh's Starry Night isn't just beautiful. It's tragic. It was painted during his time in an asylum, a visual cry for help. That's something no AI can replicate. Not because it lacks skill, but because it lacks life. The legal and ethical gray zone. Another layer to this debate is ownership and ethics. Most AI systems are trained using publicly available data, which often includes copyrighted work. Many artists never gave consent for their creations to be used in